Hi, this is Michael Gallagher, the president and the founder of the Stevie Awards, and I'm here today with Michael SAHOURI, vice president of SAHOURI Insurance in McLean, Virginia. His company was the winner of the Gold Stevie Award in the 2015 Stevie Awards for Sales and Customer Service for Customer Service Department of the Year in the financial services industries. Unfortunately, he and his team weren't able to come to Las Vegas this past February to accept the award, so I've come to their offices here in McLean to present it. Congratulations, Michael.
Thank you very much.
Here you are, a 2015 Gold Stevie Award trophy.
Appreciate it.
Now, if you'd come to our ceremony in Las Vegas back in February, you would have gotten to make a 30-second acceptance speech. So we'll let you make it right now. Go ahead, make your acceptance speech.
Well, of course, I'd like to thank Stevie Awards for a great job. And I'd also like to express our great appreciation to our leadership, our management team, our customer service teams, and everyone involved with making SAHOURI a passionate place to work. Without your hard work, your sweat equity, your love for this business, and for helping clients, this wouldn't be made possible. So thank you very much, everyone, for everything you do. We appreciate it.
Great. I think that was just about 30 seconds, too, so that was perfect.
Thank you.
So tell me about your company and why you think your focus on customer service has paid off for you.
Right. It's about it's really about finding the right people who naturally have the ability to give and be selfless, but also have an expertise in insurance. So building the right teams. So it's we're really passionate because our people come to the table naturally with the ability to be selfless and want to give. Right?
Is a focus on customer service pervasive in the insurance industry?
It's lacking. We've noticed, and so that's our only commodity. Insurance is kind of just our specialty. So without the right customer service model in place, it needs to encompass proactive planning. It needs to encompass always staying constantly in contact with our clients. So we've noticed, unfortunately, as the industry is gobbled up by larger firms, that customer service has been lacking, and our customers have been accepting a new expectation of what they think customer service is. And we're bucking the trend and making sure that our movement is to promote what a true experience should be.
And what kind of experience have you modeled yourself on? We all have companies that we deal with on a daily basis, and we judge them all on things like customer service. Are there firms that you've sort of looked at and said that we want to be like that company?
Well, we always look within first. I mean, if we do take a look and model the other companies, whenever we're approaching a new relationship, we're actually listening to our clients, which is very important with regards to customer service. It means we have to hear the pain points. Why are we in this relationship? What can we do to improve? And a lot of times it's staying in contact. It's not just being able to be reached when they want to reach you, but proactively reaching out ahead of time and making sure there's a constant form of communication. That's the first part that's missing. The other part is really just being efficient and a team player within your organization to make sure that they can have the peace of mind that there's a company who naturally is already looking after their best interests without having to ask for them to do so. So I hope that answers your question.
Sure. Obviously, the independent judges who read and rated your nomination in the Stevie Awards for Sales and Customer Service responded to that. How do you document and measure customer service here and your success in customer service here at SAHOURI?
Right, it's a couple things. We have some quality control procedures in place. Our retention between our clients, we're proud to have a 97% retention rate. And that was during the tough economy as well. We're naturally growing, and with a limited sales force and a high service team, that's pretty unique to our industry. So a lot of our clients are coming from clients who are already happy, who want to share the story about their service experience and the insurance world that they haven't received elsewhere over the course of the years. So those are good testaments between the quality control, our leadership, some analytics that we evaluate, and then the budgeted retention. It speaks volumes on our behalf. So how did you start the Stevie Awards nomination process and business behind it?
Well, 35 years ago, I worked for a small company in New York City that put on film festivals and advertising awards and television awards, all sorts of media awards. And then I moved to DC and got into the trade show and conference business and saw that there weren't quite nearly as many opportunities for people in other industries outside of the media industries to be recognized for their work. If you work in fields like advertising or television, you just sort of take it for granted that at some point you're going to be recognized with an award, because there are so many awards in those industries, as we all know. But if you're a chemical engineer, or you write software, or you're a financier, or you're a salesperson, there aren't nearly as many prominent opportunities to be nationally or locally or internationally recognized. And I thought, why shouldn't there be an Oscars for business? And I started to do some research on it and realized there was no such thing as an American Business Awards, for example. In fact, the name was available. And I thought, I can do this. I know how to do it, and it's fun doing it. It's fun making people happy, giving them awards. So I started in 2002, and the first American Business Awards was in 2003. In 2004, we started the Stevie Awards for Women in Business and the International Business Awards, which we now get entries from more than 60 countries in. We started the Sales and Customer Service Awards in 2006. Last year, we started the Asia Pacific Stevie Awards. We accept entries in that from nations in the 22 nation Asia Pacific region. We started the German Stevie Awards this year. We now manage the Golden World Awards for PR Excellence on behalf of the International Public Relations Association. So now we get more than 10,000 entries every year from organizations in more than 60 countries across all of the Stevie Awards program. So it's something why does anyone start a business? You find an intersection of what you know and what you love. And I tell, when I speak to students about entrepreneurship, I say to them, if you can find a business that meets what you know and what you love, you've got a chance to be successful, because every day you'll wake up and it won't feel like work, and it'll be something that you have a chance to be successful at. And for me, that was doing the Stevie Awards.